We push our bodies to the limit, striving for peak performance. But often overlooked is the most natural and powerful performance enhancer: sleep. Sleep rebuilds and rejuvenates our bodies from the inside out. At night, the repair crew clears debris and lays the foundation for a stronger you. Hormones regulate muscle growth and repair. During deep sleep, growth hormone surges. It directs muscle rebuilding, stimulates protein synthesis, promotes fat breakdown. Lack of sleep hinders growth hormone. Sleep regulates testosterone and cortisol. Testosterone aids muscle repair. Cortisol impacts muscle growth. Sleep promotes optimal hormone balance. Think of protein as the building blocks of muscle tissue. When we engage in physical activity, especially strength training, we create microscopic tears in our muscle fibers. While this may sound alarming, it's a natural part of the muscle building process. During recovery, our bodies repair these micro tears, making the muscles stronger and more resilient. This repair process relies heavily on protein synthesis, where our bodies use amino acids from the protein we consume to build and repair tissues. Sleep plays a crucial role in protein synthesis, enhancing the body's ability to utilize available amino acids for muscle repair. Studies have shown that individuals who consistently get enough sleep experience greater muscle protein synthesis rates compared to those who are sleep deprived. This means that even with the same workout routine and protein intake, those who prioritize sleep will recover faster and see better results in terms of muscle growth and strength. Section 4. Taming the flames, sleep and inflammation reduction. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or stress, including the stress we put on our muscles during exercise. While acute inflammation is a necessary part of the healing process, and chronic inflammation can delay recovery and hinder muscle growth. Sleep acts like a cool compress on inflamed muscles, helping to reduce inflammation and promote healing. During sleep, our bodies release cytokines, proteins that help regulate inflammation. Adequate sleep ensures the proper balance of pro-inflammatory and anti-inflammatory cytokines, effectively managing inflammation levels. Furthermore, sleep deprivation can lead to increased production of inflammatory markers in the body, prolonging muscle soreness and delaying recovery. By prioritizing sleep, we give our bodies the best chance to effectively manage inflammation, reducing muscle soreness and promoting faster healing. Section 5. Sleep for everybody. It's not just for athletes. While the link between sleep and muscle recovery might seem most relevant to athletes or those engaged in intense physical activity, the truth is that everyone, regardless of their fitness level, benefits from adequate sleep. Whether you're a seasoned marathon runner or someone who enjoys a daily walk, sleep is essential for muscle repair and overall well-being. Our muscles are constantly at work, even during seemingly mundane activities like walking, carrying groceries, or simply maintaining posture. These everyday movements create micro tears in our muscle fibers that require repair. Sleep deprivation can lead to decreased muscle mass and strength, even in individuals who are not actively engaged in strenuous exercise. This highlights the importance of sleep for everyone, not just those focused on athletic performance.
Check 1, check 2, check.
Section 6. Sleep versus supplements, a natural recovery strategy. In the quest for optimal recovery, many turn to supplements and recovery products promising faster healing and improved performance. While some supplements may offer benefits, it's important to remember that sleep is the most natural and effective recovery tool at our disposal. No pill or powder can replicate the intricate restorative processes that occur during sleep. Sleep is a free, readily available resource that we often take for granted. By prioritizing sleep, we tap into our body's innate healing capabilities, optimizing muscle recovery and promoting overall well-being. Supplements can complement a healthy lifestyle, but they should never replace the foundation of recovery. Adequate sleep. Investing in a good night's sleep is investing in your health and maximizing your body's natural ability to recover and rebuild. Section 7. Prioritize your sleep. Reap the rewards. In a culture that often glorifies busyness and undervalues rest, prioritizing sleep can feel like a radical act. However, viewing sleep as a non-negotiable pillar of health and well-being is essential for unlocking our full potential. By making sleep a priority, we give our bodies the time they need to repair, rebuild, and rejuvenate. Incorporate sleep hygiene practices into your daily routine, such as establishing a consistent sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and optimizing your sleep environment. These small changes can make a significant difference in the quality of your sleep and consequently your muscle recovery and overall health. Remember, the benefits of sleep extend far beyond muscle recovery. Adequate sleep improves cognitive function, boosts mood, strengthens the immune system, and reduces the risk of various chronic diseases. So make sleep a non-negotiable part of your fitness regimen and your life. Your body will thank you.